Hi there. Have you ever watched a video that completely drew you in and made you forget about everything else? What was it about that video that captivated you so much? Chances are it had a great story. Stories have a magical ability to grab our attention, make us feel something, and even stay with us long after they're over. So, when you harness the power of storytelling on YouTube, you can make videos that are unforgettable. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of a powerful framework that can help you do just that. Now, you might be thinking, but my coaching videos aren't Hollywood movies. How can I create that kind of magic? Well, let me show you an example of a short, simple story that packs an emotional punch. It's an ad for a car tracking service. But trust me, it's so much more than that. It's great storytelling. You can have a look. I will leave a link of this video in the description. When I first saw this ad, about 10, maybe even 15 years ago, I felt a range of emotions that stuck with me. And that's what great storytelling does. It makes us feel something. Now think about your coaching videos. Imagine if you could evoke those same feelings in your viewers. If you could connect with them on that deep level, it would transform your content and make people eager to learn more about you and your coaching. To help you craft those captivating stories, we're going to dive into a brilliant framework that YouTube expert Daryl Eves goes deeper into in his book, The YouTube Formula. It's called The Story Arc, and it's a simple yet powerful way to structure your videos for maximum impact. So, here's how it can be applied to your coaching videos. We will use a wellness coach that specializes in keto as an example. Let's look at the hook. Imagine they start their video with a close up shot of a delicious keto friendly food, maybe juicy steak and avocado. Then they ask, are you tired of feeling deprived on diets? I was too until I discovered keto. Next, the re engagement element. Throughout the video, the coach uses quick cuts between recipe demonstrations, client testimonials, and shots of themselves enjoying a keto lifestyle. Maybe cooking in their kitchen, going for a hike, or enjoying a keto friendly meal with friends. They can share personal stories of their own keto journey, talking about the challenges they had to overcome, and this makes the information relatable to their audience. Now, for the setup. As they transition to the main content, they build anticipation. They can say, for example, now I'm going to reveal my 3 step system for creating a keto meal plan that you'll actually stick to. Next, the climax. Here, they will actually deliver on their promise by clearly explaining the 3 step. Maybe it's focusing on whole foods or maybe a meal prep on Sundays. They will provide practical tips for each step and showcase the benefits of their approach. So, the climax is where they will deliver the core value of their video. Next, the goose, the bonus element. If you think of Marvel movies, You'll note that at the end of the movie, nobody really leaves the theater. It's because they know that normally after the credits, there is a bonus scene. In our example of a keto coach, this is where they can share a bonus step for those who have stayed until the end of the video. When done consistently, this will create an expectation from their viewers, and they'll be more likely to watch until the end because they know they will be rewarded. For example, our coach can say, "Here's a bonus tip for you who have stayed with me till the end. When it comes to keto, electrolytes are your best friend. Make sure you're getting enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This will help prevent those pesky keto flu symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and muscle cramps. I even have a quick and easy electrolyte drink recipe that I love. And I will share that with you in the description of this video. Alright, so that's an example of our keto coach using the goose, the extra bonus element. And lastly, we have the wrap up. This is where you can briefly summarize the key takeaways and connect back to the hook. Our coach can say, "So, remember that delicious plate of food? You can enjoy that kind of food every day on keto without feeling deprived." I hope this coaching scenario we used will help you to apply the story arc elements. And now, for my viewers who have stuck with me, here's a bonus tip that will really make your story arc shine. Use music strategically. If you look at the ad I shared, the tracker ad, you will notice how the song by Brandy Carlisle heightened the emotional impact of the story. You can do the same with your coaching video. Choose music that complements the message and mood you would like to convey to your viewers. For example, our keto coach might use upbeat, inspiring music during her recipe demonstration and then switch to a more calming, reassuring track while sharing a personal story about overcoming keto challenges. Music just adds another layer of depth and emotion that will keep your viewers engaged. Now it's your turn. Think about your own coaching niche. How can you use the story arc to create a video that tells a compelling story and keeps your viewers engaged? What would your irresistible hook be? What kind of gush will your audience love? Share your ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear and see what you come up with. We've just scratched the surface of creating content that captivates. I'm also busy creating a free training series on how you can leverage the power of YouTube to attract your ideal coaching clients. In one of those videos, we will also delve deeper how to create content that your coaching clients will love. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when these videos go live. See you in the next one.